Friends and family, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about snail products, okay? And specifically, we're going to zone in on snail masks. What do snail masks do for your skin? And why is this such a big deal all of a sudden? So actually, it's been a big deal for a minute. So if you're interested, stay tuned. And Snail Slime has several benefits. It helps with acne. It helps with acne scars. It helps to keep your skin moisturized. It improves or increases the collagen in the skin. So basically, like they're saying here, it regenerates your skin, right? It helps your skin regenerate probably at a faster rate than it normally would. Let me read here. It also helps with hyperpigmentation, which I have. I have this patch right here I'm dealing with right now. I did a peel, and this was the last part that was left, and I was in a hurry, and I ripped the skin off. And of course, the melanin in my skin is like, hey, what did you do that for? So anyway, directions on here. It says, after cleansing face thoroughly, prepare skin with toner, okay? And then carefully position the mask over your face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently pat remaining essence into the skin until fully absorbed. Caution, do not rinse. This is not your typical treatment that you rinse, and that's why I'm doing this at nighttime, because I don't know if it's going to leave any residue or whatever it's going to look like during the day, so I'm doing it at nighttime. The little slit there, so I'm going to see if it, oh yeah, oof. It's easy to rip open. And this box came with how many in there? I think it was 10 in here. So I'm looking in here. There it is. Yoo-hoo. Here's the face. Okay, let me get the nose part straightened out, and oh, it's probably going to be cold as anything. It's so cold. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. So cold. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. If you have a steamer, steam your face, open your pores, and then slap this thing on. That's how that's how I see it being very efficient, or where you get the maximum benefit. So let's get it all on here. 15 to 20 minutes. I'm leaving it on for 30. How about that? So this is the mask 30 minutes later. So I think when they said 20 minutes, they knew within 30 minutes it would dry out. It's, you know, sort of hanging out because it's sort of dried out. So anyway, so there's nothing left in here to really put on my face. I was making sure I was going to squeeze everything into my face out of it. Anyway, so that's it. My face it still feels like there's product there. This is the end for me. As soon as it's done drying, I'm going to put on my moisturizer, and I'm off to bed. I will post an update at some point when I'm done with my packet of 10. So friends and family, what did you think? To snail or not to snail? That is the question. So let me know if you use any snail products. I've seen, you know, creams and things like that, and serums also, and snail essence. So there are all kinds of products for your skin that have snail stuff in it. So let me know if you use any, and what what kind you use, and also whether it's working for you, whether you saw a difference or not, okay? So I will appreciate that feedback. Thank you again for tuning in as always, and I hope to see you in the very next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.